Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into OCBC Bank on iPhone. Simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the OCBC app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the OCBC digital banking app on your home screen. Next tap the app once to open it. Step 2. Welcome and security screen. When the app opens, you will see the OCBC welcome screen. OCBC uses strong security features, so make sure you are logging in from a safe and private location. Step 3. Enter your SS code. Next, enter your 6-digit SS code on the screen. This is the personal code you set up when you first registered for OCBC Digital Banking. Step 4. Use Face ID or Touch ID. If you have enabled Face ID or Touch ID, you can log in even faster. Simply look at your screen or place your finger on the home button to authenticate. Step 5. Additional verification. For added security, OCBC may request extra verification such as OTP or in-app confirmation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And that's how you can log in into OCBC Bank on your iPhone simply, securely. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.